Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A60 and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now we go to the more advanced settings at the left corner here, and as you can see here we are in the camera settings. And to get access to the location tags we have to slide down to the useful features, and as you can see here we have the location tags. So by using this button we can easily tap and turn it off and on, as you can see. And the important thing here is that to make it work we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to be connected with the location tags of this device. So now I'm going to take a picture to show you how it looks like when it's the location tags are saved. And we go to the preview here, and now we tap on this to get access to the details of our picture. And as you can see here we have the location tags, so greetings from Krakow. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.